Today we will talk about expressing time in Serbian. So, in differences between using a word sat and vreme. When we use word sat can have few meanings. Sat can mean watch or clock, like clock on the wall, sat na zidu, or wristwatch, sat, ručni sat. It also can mean sat as time, as hour. Koliko je sati means what time is it. Jedan sat means 1 hour or 1 o'clock. 2 sata, 3 sata, 4 sata. Then from 5 and above it's sati. 5 sati, 6 sati, 7 sati. If it is ending with 1 as 21, 21, then it is again sat. 21 sat, 51 sat, and so on. Vreme can mean both time and weather, as in outdoors weather, if it's sunny, cloudy, and so on. U koje vreme? At what time? For example, you're meeting with friends and you need to know at what time you're going to meet with them. You will ask u koje vreme ćemo se sresti? At what time will we meet? And if you want to ask if you want to ask about weather outside, you will ask kakvo je vreme? What's the weather like?